Okay, so this is the environment that I built for the Baron character last summer, and what I thought we'd do is look at very simple elements that it's built of and make a fresh environment for another character. So if we come out of it, you only build those in front of the camera, and so there's this room floating in this big environment. I kept a spare beam just in case I wanted to do something else with it, but I built one wall and then duplicated it for the roof, and the other wall, and then another wall with a hatchway in it, but that's got another wall behind it, so I can hide a light between those two walls there. And you'll find that the lighting's fairly effective. If I just render a frame here quickly, although it doesn't render that quickly, you get a sense of what this environment looks like. And the aesthetic comes mainly from the texturing, but the textures are all hand painted or hand designed. Nothing has come in from outside or reality. It's all sort of just made up stuff. And so I'm going to start with a fresh character, which is also one I built earlier, and then start building a similar kind of environment around him, so you can see how bit by bit this kind of environment works. One other thing to note from that is we've got odd things like this one's animated, and we've got a moving sky. So I suppose that moving sky you can see it a little bit better there. So the sky circles around him. I've got a multiple layer sky that I'm going to look at working with. And what's also useful about this particular setup is if I go to the render setup here, you'll note that I use quite a lot of AOV outputs, so it can be composited afterwards. So also what we'll do is we'll look, once we've built the next environment, we'll look at setting up AOVs and how to composite the output. Okay, so that's the general idea, and we'll start in the next one by setting up the initial world environment and then starting to build the room inside it.